Watchy. Basically,
somebody that's just fast.
Yeah, somebody
just inquisitive.
Somebody when just too enough. Them too enough. Them put them nose where
you always have that.
This fall by my right hand. But I toast with the friends we take off every load. One time did sit down in a class and we both then only set the road and we go on with the road.
What's up, guys? I'm Chaddy.
And I'm Danny.
You know we're here for a good time.
And a long time.
We're here for a good time.
A long time.
Today, by the title you don't know. Big up to all my Jamaicans, big up to all the Caribbean people right now. Big on a damn self up right now. Go ahead and smash the like button. The special video we have for you guys today is called
Funny Jamaican Doubled Words.
So basically we're going to use the word yabba yabba. Basically, you know, to describe something, and we're gonna give the meaning of it, and it's gonna be funny. So go ahead and smash the like button right now, and go ahead and subscribe if you want to be a part of the family. Notification gang, notification squad, go ahead and comment down below. If you comment down below, notification peng.
Okay.
We're gonna go ahead and give you a shout out in our next video.
It has to be peng.
But it
so
doesn't.
5 pengs.
5 pengs. Comment down below. Notification peng. And comment down below which country you're from right now, and if you're watching this, where you are right now. Comment down below. We are gonna get right into the video.
First word we have, or words, is beggy.
Beggy.
Now you all used to have that beggy friend.
Dog, oh you so beggy dog? Yo, or even for example, you know the stray dog in Jamaica? So if they were coming, dog, they're beggy man.
Anytime you eating them one. So,
yeah, like
well, our dogs are like that too.
Yeah.
They're very beggy. Second one is daddy.
Daddy. Basically, a low energy person. Why is it so daddy? Yo, you know the girl last night, she said daddy. She not
Of course you'd have to use that. You'd have to use that.
She never that move, she never that wibble and a wobble, you know. She just daddy in her bed, so that.
Okay, third one is laba.
Basically, a person chat too much.
Too much.
I feel like this is more like a. My mother would have said laba.
Laba.
Yeah.
Like an older person.
Yeah, more of an older person would have said laba.
Yeah, your mommy would definitely say laba.
Yeah.
Next words are watchy.
Watchy. Basically,
somebody that's just fast.
Yeah, somebody.
Just inquisitive.
Somebody when just too enough. Them too enough. Them put them nose where
you always have that neighbor.
Yeah, like, oh my
that
God,
watch
yo.
everything that going on in your house.
You know. Me tell them, man, you could have the outside, you could have in your shower, them still a look on you. Them still a look on you. When you go outside, you rake up the yard and you look over, them want just look on you and rake for them yard. And they want chat you, see? Them just stop want chat you.
You sound very passionate about this.
Because we had some neighbors back in the day, you know, we had a little feud, you know, me fling mango.
Oh yeah, sure. That brings us to the next one. Passa.
Basically drama. You get up in a mix up, you in a some passa. Be a passa go on.
You always have those people.
We're not talking about the dance for the keep.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Not the dance.
Yeah, so basically we're talking passa.
People that always in mix up.
Yeah, always.
You always have that person. Always in drama, always in something always going on with their life.
We keep far from passa.
Please.
Basically, yeah, we keep far.
Next one is good up.
Danielle, good up. If you know that in English. Basically, that's self-explanatory.
You tell your friend, like your friend look really good, and you tell her are you good up. Or a young man tell a woman saying good up.
Yeah. If our thing good up, you know what I mean?
Next one on our list is licky.
Yeah, so basically this is a person who's very greedy, like they just don't know when to stop and then just keep going, and you know what? It burn them back, you know.
It's funny when you think about these words, you think about like people that you know.
Yeah, it's like, but you can't like in your mind when you're over here in the US, it's like you can't even say it to them, but in your mind,
understand.
Yeah, it just.
You
that
know,
person is too licky man.
Okay, so I think this next one is self-explanatory. When you too money.
That is when a girl Yeah.
Too much man.
She does have too much man. She have too much man. She needs
too many boyfriends.
It's not even boyfriend. She just have too much man. She must Lego the man them too much. Just have one. Just one.
For the mental.
Yeah. Eh?
For the mental.
Next question. Next.
The next one is also self-explanatory. When you just fool.
Yes, basically when a person just fool and you know them just fool.
Yeah.
You can't stop a person who just fool. I mean, this is more like a joking. I think if you play around with your friends, you say, dog, you know, say fool, dog.
The next one is Bali.
So this basically happened when I was very young. Like my father and my mother used to call me.
Bali.
How you know that?
Because she told me.
She told you?
She told me.
Yeah, no, I was not very Bali, but
you're Bali.
I was kind of Bali.
You were Bali.
Because I was the youngest one, and you know what used to bother me? Back in the day, we used to play cops and robbers. So, you know, I shoot my brother out that tree. When I shot the boy no drop. The boy no drop and he shoot me and say me dead. So I start ball, and that's what we call them. Call me Bali.
I don't think that's why they call you Bali. I think you just were Bali. For everything.
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna lie.
You just cry for everything. Cry, baby.
When I was, yeah.
Say cry, cry, baby.
Moonshine, darling. Take off your shoes and go to your bed. But
you're so dumb. Next one is Dege.
So, dog, this little dege, something you can give me. Like, you know, like something.
Like you only do like
it's a big portion and you get a small portion. Not even a small, it's like half of a small. Or even a quarter of a small.
Like 10 M&Ms and you ask me for one and I give you a bite it and give you.
Yeah, like this little dege something you can
Chad does that to me.
All the time. Always.
Did that to me today.
Yeah, I did that to
with
her.
Smarties. And last but not least, Chatty.
Oh my god, this is going back to the same one. Laba. Like, oh my god, when somebody chatty, they don't stop chatting.
They just listen to your business, take it to the next person.
Yeah, it's like a magnet mode. Like you just take them word there, carry it over your son, and then mix it up to, you know, them people.
This one kind of just mixing up a lot of different
Yeah. So basically it's just going around and mixing it up and carrying news. It's basically carrying news. And then want CVM, a TVJ, then there's the CNN down there. You don't know. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash the like button, smash the comment button. Comment down below the words that we haven't said, the double words basically. Comment down below your favorite one. Just go ahead and comment down. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love this video. I feel like this is my favorite video right now. And comment down below and go ahead and smash the subscribe button if you want to be a part of the family. We're gonna get into notification gang time.
Okay, so first notification shout out goes to Marie Alea.
Big up your damn self. Going right over here.
Next notification shout out goes to Natasha Richards.
Big up your damn self. Go right over here. When we saw it, we thought it was Danielle's sister.
Yeah, because my sister is Natasha Richards.
Yeah. Damn, we just give out our government name.
Sorry. I cut that.
Third notification shout out goes to
Kelsey C.
Big up your damn self. Go right over here. If you want to be a part of notification gang, notification squad, what you gotta do, Danny?
Hit the like button, the subscribe button, hit the bell, hit everything you can hit, just hit it.
Except the dislike button. And then comment down below. Comment down below, you have to comment down below. Notification gang.
Ping.
5 times. Notification ping. And I might give one shout. Oh, sorry. Notification ping.
Oh my god, that's not 5.
Well, you know what I mean. And if you comment down below, I'm gonna give one special shout out to the person who said notification. Oh, I haven't done that in a while, I'm doing it right now. Notification pregos coming down below right now. If you want to be a part of the notification gang again, like I said, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you guys again for the registry. We really appreciate it. We haven't got the stuff as yet.
We got 8 gifts, guys.
Yes, as we get it, we're going to announce it and show it to you guys.
Than we thought we were going to get.
Yeah, we really appreciate it, guys. Thank you guys again for the support.
We love you.
So we're gonna say.
My heart is so not cute.
We're gonna say another thing for you guys. We here for a good time.
And a long time.
We here for a good time.
And a long time.
Yeah, we're there for a good time and a long time. We don't know we're growing to, so Thank you guys again, and we want to reach our goals by 100K, so let's
I know,
get
we're
there.
almost at 80.
We're at 80K, and we really appreciate you guys again, and we are sayonara. Until next time. What you just do? What you just do?
Flash them.
That's because you were doing that dumb signature again.
Flash you again, guys.
Try it again.
I had to not put my hand up.
Come on, do your signature like how you did. We're gone.